David Jr. Technician here at Park Place Acura. Today, recommendations will be 4-wheel alignment, cabin filter, and transmission fluid change. Today we changed the battery on your vehicle because it wasn't functioning right. Other than that, everything seems good.
So yeah, I got roadside to give me a jump. My car is parked in the garage. Drove directly to the dealer. They replaced my battery free of charge into warranty. Warranty for OEM battery is 4 years, 50,000 miles. I was around 3.5 years and 34,000 miles. I also have the certified pre-owned warranty, though I didn't have to use that at all here. But ordinarily, a new battery AGM would be around, I think, $320, and this does have a 100-month warranty, so knock on wood, I should be good for a while.